How to remove objects from video for free using the InShot app. What's up everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove objects from your video using the free InShot app. First of all, you'll have to install it from Play Store or App Store and open the app. Now tap on videos to add your video. So once you have imported the video right here, what you want to do is add an overlay. So this picture-in-picture PIP allows you to add another one. So just select the same video from here. Alright, so here is the video that I've just imported. You just want to drag it and fit the full screen like so. And now you will have to find the part that you want to delete and choose the mask option. So you will just have to choose the mask option right here. Now you will just have to choose your mask option, and I recommend you choose the mask which fits the picture. So here I'm just going to choose this one, and once you do that, you can select the part of the video that you want to delete. So I'm just going to select this part right here. So just make sure that it's aligned perfectly. Your videos are aligned perfectly right here, and select the part that you want to remove. Once you select your mask from the background, what you can do is just move it so that it matches the video, and make sure that you don't do it to the edge so it removes the background. And that's pretty much it. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.